the last type of graph that we are going to look at is a circle graph or pie chart. Most of us know them as pie charts, in which we have the graph partitioned based off of the percentage of the whole. So in order to create a circle graph or pie chart, we need to know the approximate percentage. And remember that in order to do percentage, we take our frequency and we divide it by our total and multiply by 100. And in order to get our approximate degrees, what we're going to do is we're going to take our frequency divided by our total, and we're going to multiply that by 360, because an entire circle has 360 degrees in it. And we're wanting to find out how many degrees, so we want to know the percentage times the number of degrees. So what we're going to do is we're looking at this monthly income and basically how we spend this monthly income. And so we're going to look at what expenses we have and how much they cost. We need to find the total that we have spent. So 700, 350, 175, and 525. That gives me a total of $1,750. That's my total. So my rent, the percentage that I spend on rent, is 700 divided by 1750 times 100, which is 40%. In order to find my degrees, I'm going to take that 700 divided by 1750, and I will multiply that by 360. And I'll get approximately 144 degrees. I'm going to continue the same pattern for the others. 350 divided by 1750 times 100 will give me 20%. 350 divided by 1750 times 360 will give me approximately 72 degrees. 175 divided by 1750 times 100 will give me 10%. 175 divided by 1750 times 360 will give me 36 degrees. 525 divided by 1750 times 100 will give me 30%. 525 divided by 1750 times 360 will give me 108 degrees. So my percentages will add up to 100%. My degrees will add up to 360 degrees. And I will make a pie chart. Ooh, boy, bad circle. Make a little bit better circle. Okay, I'm going to start with just a straight line here. And if I draw a straight line down, this is going to be 180, 180. Well, for rent, I don't need a full 180. I need 144. So I'm going to cut off a little bit here. And that'll be my rent. $700. Not percent, $700. Okay? And that's a little bit less than 50%. Now I want 20%, or 72 degrees. So 40 plus 20 is a little bit more than, or is 60, so that's a little bit more than 50. So I'm going to cut here. And so that's going to be for food, which is $350. Then entertainment is another 36 degrees, which is 10%. So that's going to be about here. Which was $175. And then other expenses. Was $525. Now, these are definitely approximations because I don't have a protractor, I don't have a compass to know exactly the degrees, but you'll notice that this right here would be 25%, so a little bit more would be 30% of my pie, that type of thing. So when you're drawing a pie chart, you're really making estimations. The biggest thing for me is if you try to draw a pie chart, don't try to tell me that this is 40% and that this is 30%. Okay? Those are some things that, no, you need to make 40% less than 50. Okay? And 30% a little bit more than that 25%. So make sure that whenever you're drawing these, you try to make it a little bit more accurate than that. Other than that, that's what you're looking at.